Hello everyone, my name is Khushbu. I'm from Nagpur and I have completed my graduation in 2021 from Nagpur University. When I am searching for a job, my friend suggest me to join Avision Technoserve. Avision Technoserve is a IT recruitment and a consulting company. I had joined online full day job internship under the guidance personally and I had a great experience with the Evision team and thankful to say that I am selected in Express IT Private Limited as the package of 2.7 LPA. So thank you Evision team for supporting me in every situation. Evision all trainees are very supportive and it's best platform to improve your IT skills. Thank you Evision and thank you Evision team members.